Hi, this is Ann Oro, and I'm just going to walk you through putting your monster pictures and descriptions on the wiki. I may be using a different browser or type of computers than you are, but the process should be the same. I'm on a Mac and I'm using the Chrome browser. Wikispaces is the name of the website that hosts our monster project, and to get to it, you want to go to monsterproject.wikispaces.com and you'll get to the welcome page. You will probably not be signed in, so in the upper right hand corner you'll see the words guest, join, help, and sign in. You will want to sign in with the username and password that you registered for the project, and once you do that, you can click sign in. When you go to the Monsters 2017 link on the left side of the screen, you'll see that we have all of our partner schools listed, and if there are multiple teachers from the same school, you might see the same name. So perhaps a computer teacher was doing all of these classes, or you might see a different teacher's name for each of the classes. I'm going to add a picture to Anna Beralt's Shorecrest Preparatory class with Mrs. Hobbs. When I click on that link, you should see your teacher name at the top of the screen and the class that you're working with, and you'll be able to click the edit button. Once you've done that, you'll have your student pictures already saved on the computer. In my case, I've created a folder called Monster Project, and I have 2 images. In the directions, you'll see that we ask the project monsters be named in a certain way. So for Dr. Beralt and Mrs. Hobbs's class, their class page is 1617 for the 2016-2017 school year, -SPS1 for Shorecrest Preparatory School, class number 1. It's most convenient if you have each of the images renamed so that we have the year, the name of the school, and if I had to give you a number 1, 2, 3 for multiple classes, and the rest is to help you identify each monster. So if this was created in a class where there were multiple second grades, you could call it 2A, 2B, or whatever way they're designated, then a dash, then the name of the child who drew this monster. So if there were 2 Roberts, I might have a Robert H and a Robert D, and then a dash, and the word monster if you want, or the word original if you want. Also, we asked that the monsters be sized to a smaller size, and I'll show you why that is in a minute. So here I am in my monster page. We'll say that Robert is going to be my first original picture. And on the toolbar, you'll see this little button that says File. When you give that a click, you can press the Upload Files button. Go to the folder that has your monster picture. Click on the file that you'd like to add. Open it up, and you'll notice that a little swirling image appears. When it's done, you'll see a very miniature of the picture. Give that a click, and it places it into your document. Now, if I didn't resize the picture, when I add that picture, I'll go ahead and click Upload, choose the Ann monster, open that up, and when I click into it, it's going to bring it much larger on the screen. The smaller the picture, the easier it is actually to have multiple monsters on the same page. If I click on that picture, I can press the minus sign and it will make the picture smaller, or I can click on one of these white handles and drag it to make it smaller. So you can do it in that way if you wish, and then once I'm done, I'm going to click Save. The other advantage to making the pictures smaller, resizing them, is that it takes up less storage space in the system. Now, each child should have created a monster description, and as a teacher, you should have collected all of the word processing documents in one file so that it's easier for your partner teachers to download those descriptions and give them to their students.